Hi, today you'll learn what digital resistance is, how it became a symbol of free speech and digital privacy, and why its significance is more important for us now than ever before. The story began back in 2011 when Pavel Durov received an order to delete posts by users with alternative opinions. Instead of complying, he posted a photo of his dog in a hoodie, refusing to silence anyone on his platform. Since then, this dog has become the mascot of free speech. In 2018, a more serious situation occurred when a government demanded access to encryption keys and blocked 50 million IP addresses. Telegram refused to comply and launched the Digital Resistance, a global movement to combat censorship and protect digital privacy. And the Resistance dog became the symbol of this movement. Alongside the Resistance dog, the paper airplane became a symbol of the movement. Durov used it to call for a peaceful protest, encouraging supporters of free internet to launch paper airplanes from their windows. Today, digital resistance is a movement for everyone who believes that privacy is not a privilege but a fundamental right, and that free speech is the foundation of a healthy society. Resistance dog is more than just an image of a dog. It is a symbol that reminds us of the importance of defending everyone's digital rights and freedoms, and why it is so relevant in the modern world. Pavel Durov faces unfair charges in France. The Telegram and Ton communities rally behind him, changing their profile pictures to the Resistance dog, flooding social media, and launching the Open Letter mini app for his release and privacy protection. Join it now. Share this video with a friend, subscribe to our channel, and stay strong.